not here, honey, I promise. Okay. What's out there?
Huh?
Come on, let's go look.
Toys.
What is it?
A Mickey music box.
You got a Mickey music box?
Come on. A bicycle.
A bicycle? What kind of bicycle?
And
Look at the front.
what's inside?
Is it Lightning McQueen?
What's inside?
You can put stuff inside. This is, look at what Logie got. You got a bike and Logan got a train. And look at all these presents.
Now I can open
Yes!
that
You can open them.
one.
You gotta make sure it has your name on it. Sit down. Sit. Go ahead, open it up. Or you could just play with something that you already have.
Let's get going.
Oh, Logie, you wanna play with your train? Are you gonna... What is that? What's this?
What word starts with the letter B? Boy.
Open you, honey. You got a lot more presents.
We have every letter of the alphabet. All aboard the alphabet train. Chugga chugga choo choo, spin around.
Do you want to open up more presents? No? It's okay, dude. Here, Pamela, you play with that. Come on!
I want to play with that.
You got a whole tree. What is it? Is it a Nanny doll? Whoa! That's cool. All right, sure.
Oh, I opened that. Here comes the
Are you poop, Lo?
a new
Those are dominoes.
I like these down there.
Yeah. Find another one. This is two Connor. Does that one say two Connor?
Two
Okay, go ahead.
Wow, ABC.
That's for the fridge. You can spell words on the fridge. Oh, yep, go ahead. Logan, how you doing, honey?
What is it?
I don't know.
Let's try it. Open it.
Okay, can we open up the rest of your presents and get rid of the wrapping paper first? And then you can open it? Okay. Go ahead. Connor, this one's yours, honey. Behind you.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, Daddy.
Logie!
Race costume!
Race cars! Wow!
Race costume!
Here,
Yeah.
there's another one done. Right here. Logan, honey.
Orange jacket.
What is it?
And then bring me more presents.
Honey, they're all behind you. What is it? Ew, look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Woo! Woo!
You love it?
Where is the square? What's this?
What's that?
I spy! I want dolphin. They sing. They sing. They squirt water. 9. Five. Let's call our friends. Let's call our friends. Okay.
Visit leapfrog.com/connect to download Leapfrog Chat.
Hold on. Tell me when. Ready? Put this right here. Give me this. Ready? Ha ha ha. Hi, Daddy. Ready? Oh. Ready? Oh, no, you little stinkhead. Hold on, Connor. Connor, stop. Hello, what are you doing?